This video will walk you through the process of redeeming a subsidy in your solar rooftop application. Follow the instructions to successfully complete the subsidy redemption process. After logging in, go to My Application section where you will see Application Created and click on View Application button. Navigate to the Bank Details section which shows the status pending, and click on the Click Here button to add your bank details. Select your bank from the list. Enter the IFSC code. Enter the branch name of the bank. Enter the account holder's name. Enter your account number. Re-enter the account number for confirmation. Upload a cancelled check or a copy of the bank passbook or the bank statement. Click on the Submit button. You will come back to your application screen where you need to navigate to the Redeem Subsidy section and click on the Click Here link. You will come to the Redeem Subsidy screen where you can view details relevant for redeeming the subsidy. You may also choose to update your bank details, if needed. You may click on this Validation button to view all the details. Once you click on the Validation button, you will be able to check all details related to your solar rooftop plant in a pop-up window. Submit the information by clicking on the Submit button. The video covered the steps required to redeem a subsidy in the consumer application.